Financial independence and early retirement have become increasingly popular aspirations in recent times. While the idea of being financially independent and retiring early may not resonate with everyone, there is a significant and growing group of individuals who are actively seeking an alternative path to traditional employment. These individuals are driven by a desire to break free from the constraints of a typical 9-to-5 job, and they yearn for the freedom to live life on their own terms. They envision a future where they have the time, resources, and autonomy to pursue their passions, interests, and dreams without having to wait until the conventional retirement age. This movement, known as FIRE, which is Financial Independence, Retire Early, this movement has captured the attention and imagination of many, inspiring them to challenge societal norms and redefine the meaning of success and fulfillment in their lives. So today, I'll take you to the secret to retiring early and living life on your own terms. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. The roots of the FIRE movement can be traced back to the 1992 book, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. In this influential work, the authors advocated for redirecting one's focus from working into one's 60s to attaining financial independence early in life. The key principle behind FIRE is reducing dependence on employers and gaining the freedom to live life on one's own terms. The pursuit of FIRE entails diligent work, saving, and investing during those younger years. Most FIRE followers aim to save and invest at least 50% of their income while adhering to a strict budget. Unlike traditional retirement planning, the movement emphasizes spending less rather than increasing earnings. By focusing on saving and investing, individuals can generate sufficient income to sustain their desired lifestyles and achieve early retirement. To achieve their financial goals, participants in the FIRE movement often go beyond traditional savings accounts and invest in stocks. This necessitates understanding the workings of the stock market and establishing a brokerage account. By investing, individuals can generate higher returns and accumulate the necessary wealth to retire early. In addition to investing, FIRE adherents also emphasize frugal living. While some critics argue that they make excessive sacrifices, many FIRE proponents contend that they derive more satisfaction from spending on what truly matters to them. By prioritizing their passions and interests, they find fulfillment outside of societal norms. Common practices include automating savings and investments, eliminating debt, maximizing retirement account contributions, bulk purchasing, cooking at home, buying used items, and reducing housing costs. As the FIRE movement has evolved, it has also splintered into various subgroups, each with its own set of goals and approaches. While all participants strive for financial independence, their objectives and levels of sacrifice differ. These subgroups can be broadly categorized into 6 main groups, reflecting the diversity of perspectives and practices within the movement. First, we have number 1, Lean FIRE. This subgroup represents the epitome of frugality within the FIRE movement. Lean FIRE adherents live by a minimalist lifestyle, aiming to survive on an annual budget of around $25,000 or less. By minimizing expenses to the extreme, they maximize their savings both before and after retirement, allowing them to maintain a simple but fulfilling life. Number 2, Fat FIRE. In contrast to the Lean FIRE followers, this group embraces a more traditional lifestyle while still prioritizing saving and investing. Fat FIRE participants aim to accumulate a larger nest egg, allowing them to maintain a higher level of comfort and indulge in luxuries even after retiring early. Number 3, Barista FIRE. This subgroup is more so a combination of the extreme savers and the moderate savers, which we'll get to in a bit. Individuals in this category quit their full-time jobs, but continue to work part-time or pursue side hustles to cover their current expenses. They strike a balance between enjoying a non-minimalist lifestyle while simultaneously withdrawing from their savings and investments. Number 4. Coast Fire. Similar to Barista Fire, Coast Fire followers maintain part-time jobs to supplement their income. However, they typically do not tap into their retirement accounts or investments, relying solely on their reduced workload to sustain their financial needs. Number 5. The Extreme Savers. While all FIRE participants are generally considered to be savers, this subgroup takes frugality to the extreme. They minimize all expenses and prioritize their goal of financial independence above all else. These individuals often sacrifice social interactions and recreational activities, focusing solely on reducing expenses and maximizing savings. Number 6. The Moderate Savers. Compared to the Extreme Savers, this group adopts a more balanced approach. While they still save a significant portion of their income, they are not as stringent in cutting expenses. They are willing to indulge in activities or experiences that hold value to them, such as family vacations or pursuing hobbies. They may even choose to work a few extra years to have more financial stability while enjoying their passions. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, if you're planning on starting your journey to financial independence as well right now, here's a few key points and rules that you should remember. First, embrace the journey to financial independence. While the goal of retiring early is undoubtedly appealing, it's essential to embrace the journey to financial independence rather than solely focusing on the end result. The process itself offers valuable lessons in budgeting, saving, investing, and aligning your financial decisions with your values. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt as circumstances change. By viewing the journey as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement, you can stay motivated and find fulfillment along the way. Second, build a supportive community. Joining a community of like-minded individuals can be incredibly beneficial when pursuing FIRE. Engaging with others who share your goals and aspirations provides support, inspiration, and valuable insights. Online forums, social media groups, and local meetups offer opportunities to connect with fellow FIRE enthusiasts, exchange ideas, and learn from one another's experiences. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can keep you motivated and accountable throughout your journey. Third, continually educate yourself. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is crucial when working towards financial independence. Educate yourself on various investment strategies, personal finance principles, and the fundamentals of building wealth. Stay updated on market trends, explore different avenues for increasing income, and seek out financial literacy resources to expand your knowledge. The more you understand about the financial world, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your goals. And lastly, be flexible and adapt as needed. While it's important to have a plan and set goals, it's equally vital to remain flexible and adaptable along the way. Life is inherently unpredictable, and circumstances may change, requiring adjustments to your strategy. Embrace the need for flexibility and be willing to modify your plans when necessary. Adapting to new circumstances doesn't mean giving up on your goals. Rather, it allows you to navigate obstacles and find alternative paths towards financial independence. While the FIRE movement offers numerous benefits, it is not without its challenges and criticisms. Achieving financial independence through FIRE can be difficult for the average person, as it often requires substantial sacrifices and disciplined saving. Some critics argue that the movement overlooks the financial advantages some participants may have, such as inheritances or family support, which may significantly boost their journey to financial independence. Many working-class individuals do not have access to such resources, making it more challenging for them to pursue FIRE. Furthermore, FIRE can be particularly challenging for single individuals who do not have the opportunity to split expenses with a partner. And for those with children, the financial responsibilities of having a family can pose a significant hurdle to early retirement. It is important to acknowledge that pursuing FIRE requires making conscious choices about spending and lifestyle, which may not be feasible or desirable for everyone. Additionally, the aggressive saving and investing approach of the FIRE movement, where followers aim to save 50 to 70% of their income annually, can be overwhelming and intimidating for many. Traditional financial advice suggests saving around 15% of income each year for retirement by the age of 65. The FIRE movement's emphasis on early retirement often means that participants may not take full advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401k, or may need to rely more on taxable accounts or other retirement vehicles. But despite these challenges and criticisms, the FIRE movement continues to attract individuals who value financial independence and the freedom it provides. It offers an alternative perspective on work, money, and lifestyle, encouraging individuals to align their careers with their values and prioritize time and experiences over material possessions. The pursuit of FIRE encourages a mindful approach to spending and saving, helping individuals reevaluate their priorities and focus on what truly brings them joy and fulfillment. In conclusion, financial security, the ability to choose meaningful work, and the reclamation of time are among the significant benefits of pursuing financial independence through the FIRE movement. While the journey to FIRE may not be accessible or desirable for everyone, it offers valuable lessons in personal finance, encourages conscious spending, and provides a framework for individuals to reassess their relationship with money and work. Ultimately, the decision to pursue FIRE rests on individual circumstances, goals, and values, and it is essential to approach it with careful consideration and a realistic understanding of the challenges and trade-offs involved. Well, that's basically the secret to retiring early and living life on your own terms. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.